Wingstop, Wingstop, baby. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that wing. Wingstop, Wingstop, baby. When I eat a boneless wing, it'll make the homeless sing. Wingstop, a Wingstop, baby. Wingstop, Wingstop, yeah. Good time, yeah. Thank you very much. If you say I look or sound like somebody, you're mad. Choose here. Let me turn this thing off. Okay. Whew, I have not done that in a long time. You know that I changed up the tempo a little bit, you know. I just thought I didn't want to be, I don't have that energy right now. That, Wingstop. I don't have that energy right now. Yes, finally. For those that have been asking, this is it. I got corn, that really spicy corn. At least I tasted a little bit. I think it's kind of spicy. I didn't get their fries because I don't like their fries. They're too sweet. So I got the veggie sticks, garlic parm. I would have been here sooner, but there was a long wait for public trans. That's why DoorDash is such a good thing, you know, because you can just kind of get it. And, you know, you don't have to worry about melted ice or anything like that. I got a Powerade Zero Sugar drink from their soda machine or whatever. Let's get started. Shit, I'm like halfway here. If you are new to the channel, thank you for joining me and welcome. I hope you stick with me. Let's have some veggies first. My bag exploded. Before I got on the bus, my bag exploded. I asked for veggie sticks, and you know, they just kind of put them in a bag like this here. Wingstop, I hope someone's watching and listening, you know, because this would be... Oh, if I didn't mention, I had cheese sauce, ranch, some more ranch because I had 2 cups. One of them fell out the bag, and I got my Mandarin teriyaki sauces back up. But yeah, if anyone works for Wingstop, or if you're corporate, oh, I gotta put some lemonade up in here. Y'all need to invest in some plastic bags, okay? And have something for these veggie sticks, you know? Instead of just putting them in the tray and then in the bag. And then why I gotta come up on this? Oh, what's wrong with the world? Everything is fucked up. These carrots shouldn't be they shouldn't be this, they should be thin. They shouldn't be all together. You know what? I'm telling you. Life's a bitch and then you die, for real. Garlic parm. And carrots are sweet though. Oh, I'm sorry. As you may or may not have noticed, I am officially fully healed from infection. That sounds like Coming to America. I can tolerate solid foods. I had a gyro sandwich yesterday, and it was lovely. And so was my bowel movement. I hope that you guys had a great day. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. All right, for the cheese sauce and the corn. Mm. Oh, I really don't have nothing to talk about, you guys. That's so good. Mm-hmm. All right, cheese sauce. If you guys haven't seen Dolce Foodie and Suave Boom's video together, you can find it on his channel. They're doing McDonald's. I posted about it in the community tab. It just hits in the best way. It really does. From the packaging sounds, the chewing sounds, the way they're eating their fries. And it's rare that you get a whisper on his channel where they're both whispering. It's really good. Check them out. Like they knew. They ain't new at all. They might be new to you if you're new to me. But check them out. Look up on, you can find it on Suave Boom's channel. Well, it feels good to enjoy regular food again. Damn. Do we want to do that like that? A little Mandarin teriyaki. Garlic parm with that classic ranch dressing. I miss you, Wingstop. I miss you so much. Yes, I do. I miss sauces. Let's do that. And then we're gonna put the teriyaki on top of that cheese. Ooh, make Papa happy. Ooh, it's like sex. It is like sex. I'm telling you the truth, baby. Rock my world. How y'all doing today? I wish it was live, in case y'all want to talk about stuff. But y'all don't like to talk about anything. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, the juice from that corn. Have we talked about Lil Nas X? Who heard the album? What do you think? I heard it. You know, it's good. It's not typically my kind of music, but it's a pop album. I really thought it would be more hip hop, but you know, there's enough of it in there, but it's really pop. I don't know if I like it. Some songs I can deal with, but I only put three or four tracks in the library. One thing I like about the songs is that they're short. Uh-oh. I had a spill. You know who I do like though? And it's only through Lil Nas X that I found out about him. That little Jack Harlow. Yes, indeed. He blow my skirt way up. Well, if I was Lil Nas X, I'd be trying to work that, but at any rate, am I really hungry to you guys? Because I feel like I'm really hungry to me. This corn is like a tease. I have a little more ranch dressing that I could use. Come on, you ain't no new bottle, is you? Are you a new bottle? Wait a minute. Are you a new bottle? Oh, I'm gonna say, I didn't think you was. Fool as hell, I'm talking to a damn bottle of ranch dressing. Shit. Hidden Valley. Oh, that carrot is sweet. Damn. If you like Wingstop, what's your favorite flavor or rub? That cream rice is good. cheese. Mmm. Shout out to Seawitt's World. Where y'all at? If y'all watching, I've been thinking about y'all, wondering, how's everything? Y'all been really quiet past few months. What's going on? I hope you all are well. Seawitt's World. I miss them. See, I feel kind of good. I feel like because I'm eating the celery and the carrots, like it's a little healthy. I know, knowing full well it ain't, but that's okay. I'm having a good old time with this food. I haven't had Wingstop in a minute, and you all know that. For those of y'all that requested it, I hope that it's to your liking, Mm. Mm. Trust me when I tell you that's good. Mm. I wish I could do a seafood boil. I can do everything but the seafood. Mm. Mm. I don't even care at this point. I don't. I'm maxing the food, and I don't give a red hot fuck. This shit is good. Say what you will about me, baby. I don't care. I'm having a good old time. Mm. I ain't got no more corn down. I'm getting tired of them carrots. Cheese, ranch, and Mandarin teriyaki. Let's go. In my mouth. Go into that garlic parm, the residue. Y'all know that's the best and worst part of the meal. Mm. That is mostly the best. Tearing it up. Yes. This is gonna have me on the toilet. Honey, when I eat a boneless wing, it's gonna make the homeless thing. See that? I ain't for y'all, but that's for any hater. I got something to say. Man, I messed up my Mandarin teriyaki. I gotta get some more of this. Okay. Oh, let's have a little bit. Let's have a little bit on this side. Oh, come on. Oh my God. Okay, let's go. You talk about an eating show. I feel like I ain't looked at y'all for the past, 20 minutes? Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna let this food digest and I'm gonna go to bed so I can get ready for work in the morning. Thank you so much for watching. Thumb it up, suck the thumb if you like it, pull it out your butt if you don't, and I will see you guys around. I hope you enjoyed the video, y'all. Have a good night. Bye. Did I end it? Nope.